Okay, welcome to a new video, guys. Today we're going to be exploring the lore of People Playground. It's madness. Okay, I got a thing so I can, look in the files of the game. I just need to copy this. Click, guys. Okay. And then copy. And then I go back to my files. Wait, hold on. Yeah, open a random file. There we go. Downloads. That's it to the studio. There you go. There you go. Load file. It's for another video, I guess. Okay, so I found something very disturbing that no one else had covered, I think. As soon as it loads. Okay, here we go. It's done. We're gonna go to asset list, type, and then audio clip. And then, so there's some weird stuff here. There's like EP, which is the EP where you spawn the normal sized gun. There's also WA, which is there's also another one called WA, which is the one is where you go in the uncharted territory, and so we're just gonna find it and play it. Oh, there's C. Weird, eh? So we're just gonna go down and find it. It's called You're Not Supposed to Be Here, I believe. And there's weird voices. Weird. This one's weird. This one, people have not covered this one. I think it should be around here. Should be near here somewhere. Oh, random noise one. This one's creepy. This is valid. There's also the new Easter egg called I don't remember. It's the new Easter egg. Yeah, so that's the audio file that plays. And I'm still looking for the file. Gotta be very careful and not miss it because I'm gonna have to scroll forever. Hold on, let me check the time. Okay, I got 5 or 6 more minutes left. Ping. Warning. Okay, that's the normal file. There's WA. There's WA. Just need to find. That's not that full WA. Oh yeah, this is the WA. scream. There was no screams in the game. Come on, where is it? I wish it's a search. You should not be here. Here it is. I have never heard this in a game. I play it daily, looking for secrets. This alarm sound. Wah, abort. Don't know. This is the sound. So, yeah, this is basically it. See you soon. Bye-bye.